It's always late at night. You're lying there doing nothing. And suddenly, your brain starts creating a completely different future. Tomorrow, I'll wake up early, delete social media, fix my routine, start over. For a few minutes, it feels real, like you finally figured your life out at 2 a.m. on a random Tuesday. And the weird part is, during the day, you didn't feel like this at all. You were tired, distracted, normal. But at night, suddenly you become the most self-aware person alive. Here's why. At night, your real life becomes quiet. No calls, no responsibilities happening right now, no one asking anything from you. So your brain finally has space to think about your life instead of just reacting to it. And once your mind gets that space, it starts noticing everything. How long you've been stuck, what you've been avoiding, who you could become if you actually changed. But there's another reason this feels so intense at night. At 2 a.m., change feels emotional, not practical. Your brain is imagining the result, not the alarm clock, not the effort, not the boring consistency part, just the feeling of becoming a new person. That's why it feels powerful, because in that moment, your brain is experiencing possibility without resistance. And honestly, that version of you at 2 a.m. isn't fake. They're usually saying things your daytime brain keeps pushing away. The problem is, nighttime clarity disappears when reality comes back online. Morning turns ideas into tasks, and tasks feel heavier than dreams. So every night becomes, tomorrow I change everything. And every morning becomes, maybe later. But here's the part people miss. Wanting to restart your life is usually not about laziness or failure. It's what happens when your mind has been emotionally crowded for too long. 2 a.m. is just the first moment all day where you can finally hear yourself clearly. And maybe you don't need to rebuild your entire life overnight. Maybe you just need one small thing tomorrow that proves this version of you actually existed.